Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to solve the problem of the day from Geeks for Geeks, and the problem is partition a number into two divisible parts. Let's solve it. So as you can say, this is a medium level problem and I totally feel the same. So we are given in this question, we are given a number as a string. So we have a number as a string and two integers, integer a and integer b, which divide and we need to divide the string into non-empty parts. So we need to divide this string, which is a number, into non-empty parts such that the first part is divisible by a and the second part is divisible by b. In case multiple answers exist, we return the string such that the first non-empty part has minimum length. Okay, so in the example, the string is 1200, a is 4 and b is 3. So we need to divide 1200. So we need to divide 1200 into two parts, which are divisible by 4 and 3, right? So 4 and 3. So as we can see here, 12. Okay, I think this will be better with light green. Yes. So as you can see, 1200 divided should be divided into two parts, where the first part is divisible by 4 and the second part is divisible by 3. So output, and the output that they have given is 12 and 0 0. Okay, so 12 is divisible by 4 and 0 0 is divisible by 3. In the second example, they have given 125 and a and b are 12 and 5, and the output that they have given is 12 and 5. Okay, so they have divided 125 into 12 and 5, two parts, where the first part, which is 12, is divisible by a, which is 12, and the second part, b 5, is divisible by b. Okay, so now let's see how to solve this problem and any more example. Okay, you don't need to read input or print anything. Your task is to complete a function string partition, the function that they have given, which takes the string s, okay, and returns a string which will be in the form of first substring plus single space plus second substring. Okay, if not found, then we have to return -1 as a string. Okay, so we have to return as a string only. Expected time complexity should be O of n, and okay, they have given these things. Okay, so now how to solve this question. So if we see the first number is 12, for the first number, that is 1200. So what we can do is we can run a loop from first I equal to 1 to the string length, and we can check using the substring method whether the number is divisible by a or not, the first part. And for the second part, we can start from the ith position. The first substring will check from the 0th position till the ith position, and the second substring will be from the ith position till the end of the string. So in the starting, it will check from 1, like the 0th position, which is 1, and the second string will go on from from 1 from 2. So let me code this for you to make it understandable. So we'll run a loop for int equal to I, for int equal to 1. I will change this to dark mode. I less than s dot length I plus plus. Okay, now for the first string, what I will do, if we'll use integer dot parseInt s dot substring, and we'll take the starting index as 0 and the ending index as I. Okay, so ending index will be will not be exclusive. Okay, and then we need to check whether this is divisible by a or not. So if it is divisible by a, what we need to check, the second part, which is also the second part should also be divisible by b. So for that we'll do integer dot parseInt s dot substring, and we'll start this from I, which is inclusive, and we'll go till s dot length. Okay, and this should be divisible by b. If this is the case, then we need to return s dot substring, the first substring, okay, followed by a single space s dot substring, the second. Okay, so this is done, and if like no number, both numbers are not found, then we need to return -1, which is will be a string. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so let us run this program and check. Okay, expected output. Okay, now we'll submit it. Okay, so we have solved this question. If you are able to understand and if you find it helpful, do drop a like. Thank you.